today's experiment is the experiment number 2, that is the measurement of the bending loss in an optical fiber. So what about the bending loss? And when we bend the optical fiber, there produce some losses, and that is called the bending loss. And here we discuss about the procedure of the experiment, only the procedure or what to do the experiment. First of all, we take 1 meter fiber optics for the setup and the analog link, and we use the LED SFH 450 volt and the detector the SFH 350 volt. And we apply the 1 kilohertz 2 volt peak to peak voltage from the function generator to the kit external analog terminal with the help of the continuous wires, that is the CRO probe, that's called the CRO probe, from function generator to the kit, the signal output signal to the and now we start the experiment. Please see, this is the 3 meter length of fiber optics, and first we need to first I show the experimental table. This is the experimental table, serial number, then the bending diameter of the optical fiber. Here we start the experiment with 3 bending diameter, that is the 7, 5, 3, and you can take otherwise any other values, and we take the 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, first we try the 7 centimeter. Here there is a scale. Okay. First you see, this is the 7 centimeter, and I make a circle. The dia is almost 7 centimeter. So the optical fiber, this is the bending curve, and this dia is the 7 centimeter, and the number of turn, that is 1. The number of turn, the bending number of turn, that is 1, and the dia is the 7 centimeter. Now I take the reading from the CRO. Okay, this is the input signal from the function generator, and this one is the output signal from the CRO, and this is the output signal for the 7 centimeter diameter of bending, and the number of turn is equal to 1, and we take the reading, that is almost is equal to 1.12 volt, 1.12 volt. Okay, then we make the number of turn is equal to 2, just make okay. So there are the bending of 2 turns, and the diameter is 7 centimeter. Then we take the reading. There is a slight different, slight less. It's almost about 0.8 volt. Okay, it's almost about 0.8 volt for the number of turn is equal to 2, and then we make a number of turn is equal to 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. So we make the number of turn is equal to 3, and we take the reading for the number of turn is equal to 3. There is a slight difference, that is almost is equal to 0.68 volt. Now we make the turn, number of turn is equal to we make the diameter is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, just like the previous one. Okay, it is almost is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so here it is almost is equal to 5 centimeter dia, and we take the reading for the 5 centimeter dia, and number of turn is equal to 1. Okay, this is almost is equal to 1 volt. This is almost is equal to 1 volt for 5 centimeter dia, and number of turn is equal to 1. Then we make the number of turn is equal to 2. Okay, this is the number of turn is equal to 2. Number of turn is equal to 2, and we take the reading. Number of turn is equal to 2 for 5 centimeter dia. That is almost is equal to 0.6 volt. 0.6 volt for number of turn is equal to 2. Then we make the number of turn is equal to 3. Okay, this is the number of turn is equal to 3 for the same dia, that is the 5 centimeter, and we take the reading for the 5 centimeter dia, that is slight reduced, that is 0.48 47, that is 0.48 volt. Okay, so this one for the 5 centimeter, and let's start for the 3 centimeter dia. Okay, this is almost about 3 centimeter dia, and the number of turn is equal to 1. Then we take the reading. Okay. Number of turn is equal to 1, 3 centimeter dia, and this is very less, it's almost about 0.8 volt. Then we make the number of turn is equal to 2 for 3 centimeter dia. Centimeter dia, number of turn is equal to 2. There is a slight difference, that's almost is equal to 0.32 or 3132 volt, and next we make number of turn is equal to 3. This is the turn number 3. The number of turn is equal to 3 for the 3 centimeter dia, this one, and this is slight difference. This is almost is equal to 0.2 volt. Okay, so the reading is over for the 7 centimeter dia, 5 centimeter dia, 3 centimeter dia. The number of turn 1, 2, and 3, and there is a graph between the dia and the output voltage. So how it looks like, this is the graph, that is dia, and along the y axis that is the voltage or the amplitude is the voltage. First of all, dia is first 3 centimeter dia, so say this is 3, this one is the 5, and this one is the 7. For 3 centimeter dia, their number of turn is equal to 3, say 0.2, this point like this, 0.2, 3 centimeter dia. For 3 centimeter, that is 0.32, slight higher position, and then 0.8, that is slight higher position, like this. That is a rough graph, and like this. This is for the 3 centimeter dia. And let's start for 5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter we also get some 3 point like this, and for 7 we get also 3 point. Okay, and then we just draw the graph, and this is for the number of turn 1 turn, and this one for the turn number 2, and this one for the turn number 3. So for 3 centimeter dia, 5 centimeter dia, 7 centimeter dia, and this graph for the turn number 1, turn number 2, this one, and turn number 3, this one. This is the rough graph, and you need to do this graph, the dia versus x axis and the voltage versus y axis. Okay, this is all about the experiment. Thank you.